Hello, this is Deborah with the Aroma Delight Beauty Care Products, and today I am making some soap, and I'd like to invite you over into my soap area so we can make some soap. So are you ready? Let's get started. Hello there, this is Deborah, and thank you for stopping by to see what I'm doing today. Today I am making some soap, trying to make a drop swirl soap. Hopefully my soap will stay fluid enough to get some good drop swirls there. We shall see. I am doing the heated transfer method here, and what that means is you don't have to have your lye and your oils at the same temperature. You don't have to pre-melt your oils. You just go ahead and pour your lye solution over into your unmelted oils and just keep stirring, and they will come to a melt. They will start melting. I love this method, but we shall see how it works with the drop swirl. I will be going back to the temperature method where you have both of your temperatures at the same, your oils and your lye water. As you can see, I did speed it up a little bit. I'm using Ice Mica today. This is an awesome company. I love their products. I'm going to be using from the base set number 1, and I'm going to be using some of the neon colors from Stardust Micas as well. And this is from their set number 5, I believe. But I will put that in the description area so you can see if you're interested in purchasing it. I hope you are. They don't sponsor me or anything, but I do like this company so much that I want to talk about them. Hopefully they'll pick me up. Who knows? Maybe they'll say, hey, do you want to be a part of us or some kind of way. I don't know. I'm just dreaming, but don't hurt to dream. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing all right. A lot of things is going on in this world today, and I'm here to do a video for soap, but I just have to let you know that you are appreciated. I thank you for being here, because you don't have to be here watching this video. And I thank you so much if you watch it to the end. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, like us, and hit the notification so you can see when we have another video coming out. Let's work together. We'll get there. My prayers go out to all of those that's going through this virus thing, and just so many problems, so many things happening to family members and just loved ones all around. So let's just lift each other up and try to stay in touch with each other and just love up on each other every chance we get. I'm going to speed it up now, and I will come back for the cut of the soap. I believe I'm going to do that. Okay, so I will come back later. I hope you enjoy this video. And once again, stick around to the end, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. for the cut of the soap. The soap is really, really soft. I've let it sit for quite a while. I actually had to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit there in the freezer. I tried to use probably too many soft oils so that it would stay fluid, and that still didn't happen. As you saw in the video, it started kind of thickening up on me. The reason it was thickening up, I think I need to change my oils and get a better ratio for my soft oils so that I can keep my soap fluid enough. Well, here you go. Keep my soap fluid enough to get a nice swirl. So I kind of know now what I need to do because I've tried a few times. Sometimes your fragrance oils will cause it to thicken up. Sometimes the titanium will do that. But I think in this case it was my oils. I did use a lot soft oils. I do have a percentage. And also my mold, I filled it a little bit too much. And when I put it, insulated it, I pushed some things up closer to it so it would come out even, but I didn't make it even enough. So, so my soap's a little bit got to be trimmed, and I got to do a little cosmetic work on it there. But overall, I'm okay with the swirl. I see where I really like this, but I can see where I needed to have my white batter a little bit more than the colors, than the mica. So next time I make this, I'm going to make sure that I have more of the white at the bottom, because I didn't really need all of the colors as much as I needed the base to be, to come up to the top of the mold. So trial and error. But overall, I'm really pleased with the soap. I think it's really cute. But I think I'm my worstest critic there. I'm going to trim off those little knuckles on the side there. That's where I pushed it together. But I do like the swirls, but I really want the drop swirl that I've seen. This is not my technique. If you look on YouTube, you're going to see some fantastic soap makers that, whoa, they get down and they really do an awesome job. And I'm getting there. I'm still getting there. 6 years later, and I'm still trying to get there. I have my expertise in certain things, and certain areas I know where I'm stronger at. But I wanted to try this, and I will try it again. There's a lot of things that I've been trying that I will try again, because that's how you get better. You don't stop. You just keep perfecting it until you get it the way you're really pleased with it. I used some biodegradable mica there. So for all those worried about all that mica, because glitter. When I was spraying the glitter, I was like, I need to stop, I need to stop, I need to stop, I need to stop. But I kept going, and all I could see was glitter just flying all in the air. I'm glad it's biodegradable. Oh boy. But I'm okay. I'm okay with this. It's really pretty. The camera is just not picking up all these beautiful colors and the detail. And that's what I hate. I need a better camera. That's probably what it is. I need to learn how to take better pictures. I'm not sure which one. The videos, I'm not sure which one yet. But I really love this. I just love making soap. I love making beauty care products. You probably hear me say that all the time. Oh boy. I changed my wire here. And I think I didn't get something tightened up here. So that's what I'm having a little problem here. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, damage control. I know. I'm like, oh no. Yeah, kind of like not the best cut there. But I'm going to do some cosmetic work on it. It'll be okay. I'm not too hard on myself today. Just got to get this wire tightened up here. Can't remember if it's, I think it goes to the left, yeah. So like I said, I changed my wire and I didn't tighten it up, and I'm not even sure if I put it exactly back the way it should be. and it felt all right when I first started. So as you can see, I did shorten this video because I was still working on this. Okay, I got this. It's ready now. Shorten this video because it was a long way re-threading this back through. You think that's pretty simple. What's the problem? But there was a little problem there, but it's fixed now. Yeah, my drop swirls, as you can see, there's a few of them there, but everything is pretty much still up at the top. So my soap it got thick on me. It didn't stay fluid enough to really get a really nice drop swirl, and I also needed to have more of the white base that I was using to come up more into the mold, and then I think I would have been able to achieve what I was trying to do. So not a total loss. It's a beautiful soap, and it smells really, really good. I will put the description of the fragrance oils that I use as well. Okay, I hope that you know, I'm trying to avoid talking about things here, trying to stay at a happy mode here, so maybe I can get that done today. But anyway, I don't know if you can see the top. The light's too bright, but it's got a really pretty gold glitter on top. It's really pretty. So I will show you the soap later when it's been, you know, once I do a little cosmetic work on it. I will post a picture of it. There, I got the light all in the way as well. Oh boy, it's just so much I want to talk about, but I'm just thinking you better just stay with the video that you're working on here with this soap, because I was just in a freeze for a little bit. I felt like I was just frozen. I couldn't even react. So a lot of things going on, but my prayers go out to all those that's heartbroken and sad right now. You're in my prayers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that you're here. Please come back again for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit, and all the good things you do to show your love. Thank you again. Have a blessed and awesome day. Bye now.